Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need the right permissions first. Make sure you can create dashboards and add gadgets. Once you have access, open Jira, go to Dashboards, then Manage Dashboards and click Create New. Name the dashboard clearly, use project code or team name, and add a concise description so others know its purpose. Also set sharing, project, group, or private. This determines visibility and who can modify it. When done, save. You'll move on to Layout and Gadgets next. Now pick a layout that matches your team's focus. 2 or 3 columns often work best when mixing summaries and charts. Next, add gadgets. Start with filter results for lists, pie chart for distribution, and sprint health or burn down for agile status. Configure each gadget by selecting the saved filter, fields to display, and refresh interval. This ensures data stays current. Once gadgets are placed, resize and reorder them to highlight top priorities. Make sure the filters return the expected issues before moving on. Finish by refining widget settings and column order so key metrics sit top left. Viewers read there first. Then share the dashboard. Assign edit rights sparingly and notify stakeholders with a short note on purpose and update cadence. If data looks wrong, troubleshoot. Confirm the saved filters return results, check project and permission scopes, and inspect gadget configuration options. Also clear browser cache or reload gadgets. Once all checks pass, set a review cadence to keep the dashboard useful and accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.